charity organization in the United Kingdom. We are an organization that we try to help in terms of this pandemic. So we've got some food items that we identify some of the elderly people in our community that needs help to reduce them going out in terms of this pandemic to get food stock, which sometimes can expose them to Covid-19. So it's just a little thing that we've got to give them as a gift from Family United. Because we've identified that these are basic food items that most of these people that consume, so that's the reason why we've chosen these basic food items for them. So these are all the stuff that we've got that we're going to include in the bag. We've got plantain as well, which we identified some of our community, they like plantain, so that's why we included some plantain in, which will be included in the bag as well.
At this time of every year, we normally will be doing in our shows. We'll be doing a lot of publicity regarding Family United show to raise funding for supporting our project. But this year, because of the COVID, as you all are aware, there is nothing like public gathering or any social activities. So we embark on charity work as usual because we are a charitable organization. So this time we are supporting our elderly Sierra Leonean parents that living in the UK. That's the main reason, because everyone is staying at home. There are some people they cannot move. Some people have underlying illnesses, they cannot mingle much with people, they cannot use public transport. So that's why we are supporting them in their own homes. So we're taking everything to them, doing the deliveries, because we need to support them. And there is a network of Sierra Leoneans here who are elderly or who have mobility problems. So if you don't reach out to them, they are really struggling. So that's why we are reaching out to everyone. COVID ends tomorrow. We mobilize all our resources. We'll be continuing our project in Sierra Leone and here in the UK as well, because this COVID has taught us a huge lesson that even here in the UK, there are people in the Sierra Leonean community that need help. So we'll be embarking now here in the UK and Sierra Leone as well. We'll not just be concentrating anymore purely on Sierra Leone.
Now the benefit, I feel say, for we as a Family United, we are a community-based organization. We are Sierra Leoneans that we come together for help in our community. Most of the time, in Sierra Leone, they do activities. But this time, we see say, when this pandemic starts, we don't see the problem in our community. We know say, a lot of people are affected, especially some people that lost their jobs, some people that don't follow. So even the income reduced. So if we able to provide a little basic item to we elderly sister them, elderly moms them, and papa them, I feel it will make a little bit of difference. So now make we say more take on this activity.
I would like to say a big, massive thanks to the sponsors. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible, and to all the volunteers. We are having a lot of drivers, as you can see. It's a lot of bags and a lot of address that these things are going to. So we need the drivers, and then we're thankful to God. We've got a lot of them that offered to come and give us a hand.
Oh, well, we help do the shopping, and we've cooked for the people that's going to come to the hall and help distributing the food. So at least they can be nibbling whilst doing that. But then in a way, again, we need to make sure the distance the social distancing is kept.
I just want to extend my thanks and gratitude to everyone that's been supporting us over the past few years. Without your support, there is no way it could have been possible for us to do something like this. And also, I'd like to extend thanks to the Phoenix Fund, the National Lottery Fund, and also Global Fund for Children for making this possible. Because without their help, there's no way we could have done this as well.
Well, we have a lot of feedback from our audience. Most of them are happy because they see the videos and the pictures of things we are doing. So we try to bring them in to witness the things we are doing so we can show them visually. Because sometimes when you ask somebody to donate, then they don't see anything. They just say, oh, we're doing something. But what I'm trying to do is try to make sure I have all those pictures and all those videos, put them together so I can share them to our audience so they can see that where their money is going, so it's being used properly.
We're just hoping the food that we provided today will help the community, especially vulnerable, like the elderly that can't go out to do their shopping. And we think the best thing we can do for as Family United is to go to do that for the people that can come out, so we can go to their door and deliver this food. And we're hoping people will enjoy it.
The way forward after this, we are thinking of creating a network communication whereby people of all ages will come and talk about how Corona has affected their lives, because as we all know, it can be very lonesome, especially where people are not able to meet loved ones. So just a communication kind of a platform where each and everybody can speak up what they want freely.
So thank you to everyone, and keep supporting us, and we'll make sure whatever promise we made to you guys, we'll fulfill them by helping everyone. Thank you very much.